Siya ay
usa niya tanang butang kay.
Sean Daniel Palarca, Papa Chops.
Man salam.
Good morning, sir, Papa Jobs.
Good morning.
We are today students from Salvador Salvador Broadcasting. This is part of our course and also subject for this semester. And we prepared questions that amo mo ipunta na sa inyo. Okay, sir. First question is, what is your name, position, and the company that you work for?
My name is Sean Daniel Palarca, and sa radio, I am Papa Chops. So I'm connected with Barangay FM North 100.7, and this is a station, a radio station of GMA Network.
So, our next question is, how did you get your current job?
Okay. So, before when I was still a student, I was a volunteer in some other station. So, maugid na ang ako ang stylist owner to introduce myself na ganahan ko aning passion. Kasi wala man ko dili radio gid ang ako ang gusto before, but still radio ka nang mag-remix, mag-mix. But lately na-discover na ko maganahan day ko aning work, no, as radio talent. So I was a teacher after I graduated, I was a teacher for almost 3 years, and then to found out na naa sila hiring. So then I applied. And then, the good thing is that they remember me because I was a volunteer here in this station way back 2016. And pagkakuha sa ako, then the rest was history.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, our next question is, did you have any other jobs in the station or media?
For media, this is the only entity that which is I am a radio DJ. But in some other aspect, because here we are considered as talents, so mag-duty ko din is from 8 to 12. So I have other things outside. So kato ko na-mention ganun nag-spin ko mga events sa mga disco. And I'm also teaching. I'm also a part-time college instructor. So ga-teach ko og mga MASCOM students.
So, asa po nga school, sir,
sa
Pinera po?
before I was in St. Rita's Cacho Balingas, I'm teaching senior high. Media gyapon akong mga gina-teach, but currently karon lang nga sem I will be part of the teaching faculty as part-time sa Lourdes College. So, I'll be teaching communication subjects.
Sir, so our next question is,